Hey guys, today I shared this palm oil sauce that pairs well with yam, potatoes, plantains and so on. It's so delicious, so keep watching and see how I do it. So I love my yams, so that's my choice for this recipe. If you're using plantains, go ahead and peel it too. You can use unripe plantain or semi-ripe plantain. So I'm going to cut this yam into a round shape and then I'm going to cut off the skin. Well, truthfully, you can cook it with skin as well. Just make sure you wash it very well and transfer into a pot. But I'm going to be removing the peel from this one. So when I'm done peeling that, I'm going to cut that into three and then I'm going to place it in a bowl of cold water so it doesn't change color. So once you're done peeling all your yams, you're now going to add it into a pot, add water and salt, allow it to cook until it's done. So while that is boiling, you're going to prepare your peppers. I have paprika, yellow pepper and onion. So you're going to heat the palm oil in a pan for a few minutes until it turns translucent. You add your onions, allowing the aroma to develop. So you're going to give that a stir until you can perceive that aroma of a nicely translucent onions. Now you're going to go in with the peppers that you grinded or that you blended, and then you're just going to give that a stir. Give it a stir to make sure everything is well incorporated, and then you leave it a few minutes until you see oil at the top. So now you're going to proceed to put your Pomo, and then you're going to go in with your panla fish or your smoked fish, and then you're just going to give this a stir. Okay, you're going to mix it together until it's well incorporated. Now you're going to go in with your Ugba or Ugba. You're going to go in with your seasoning cubes and then your onion powder. I'm using onion powder here, but it's optional. And then your salt. So we're going to give this a mix. Okay, we're going to stir thoroughly to combine with the sauce. You stir it very well until it's combined, fully combined with the sauce. And then you're going to let it simmer for a few minutes. Now go ahead and add your crayfish and then also give it another stir. So you're just going to let this absorb all the flavors, okay? So you just cover it and let it absorb the flavors. So after a few minutes, you remove the cover, give it another stir, and then you're just going to go ahead and add in your vegetables. So you can use shredded uziza scent leaf if you like, but I wasn't able to get my hands on those, so I'm using spinach here, which tastes very well. There's no difference between the two of them if I say so myself. So I used spinach, which I was able to find. So I'm just going to give that a stir. After stirring it for a few minutes, I'm just gonna let it cook together until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so just leave it to cook until everything has come together. and then your sauce is ready to eat with your boiled yam, plantain, or your potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you do. I'll see you in my next video.